guys, this is my recycled material ATM and it's really cool, so I want to share with you guys how to make it. It's really easy. Yeah, you got this nice backing where you can just clip on and off, and then here's a slot where you can just put your money in. See, you can just slide it in there. So what I've done is I've just put 2 strips of cardboard there and another one in the back there, so that you can slide it in nicely, nice and neat. And then here's the mechanism. As you can see, I've put a society stick in here to hold this up, and I've put a weight here so that when you push the confirm button on this side, as you can see, it comes back up. So as I'm pushing it, this is what happens. So the weight brings it back down afterwards. And then for this, I just glued a society stick into this side and this side going through here. And then I put another one on here with 2 weights in the back there, so that it will fall down again. Here's another society stick that just reaches onto here, so that when it is lifted up, it holds the thing on here. And then here, I just put straws in the middle of this, so that these 3 society sticks with, and I put a rubber band around it so that it can have grip on the paper, and this is here so that it can stop the thing from going past here. And there's a straws, like a small piece of straw in the middle of the hole of this one, so that it can swing freely, as you can see. And you have just glued it on there and there and there and there, and then it works quite simple. You push the confirm button down and it slides, the whole thing drops and pushes the paper through the slot. And yeah, it's really quite simple. And then you just put the credit card in here, and as you can see, it pushes this this like ribbon that I've attached there to the side of the popsicle stick, so that it lifts the whole thing up. And as you can see, it lifts it over this thing there that is attached to the confirm button. And then you just put your money in there, slide it in, and then as you can see, as you drop this, you push the confirm button, it slides down and pushes the paper money or whatever money you put inside it out here. As you can see, you can paint it if you want, you don't have to. It's really cool. Please like and subscribe to see more DIY stuff. I gotcha.